Solar farms are those large fields filled with shiny panels. But how do they actually turn sunlight into electricity for entire communities? Let's break it down in simple terms. Each solar panel is made of special materials called photovoltaic cells. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks tiny particles called electrons loose. Those electrons start moving, and that movement is electricity. You can think of it like sunlight giving the panel a gentle shove, and the panel responding by sending energy flowing through wires. The electricity that comes straight from the panel is called direct current, or DC. The problem is, our homes, schools, and businesses all run on a different kind of electricity called alternating current, or AC. So solar farms use a device called an inverter. Its job is simple but essential. It converts DC electricity into AC electricity that the power grid can actually use. After that conversion, the electricity travels through cables to a nearby substation. There, the voltage is adjusted so the power can move efficiently over long distances without losing too much energy. Once it enters the power grid, solar electricity is treated just like power from any other plant. It flows through transmission lines, then local power lines, and finally into buildings, where lights turn on and devices charge. Running a solar farm also comes with practical needs. They're built on wide, open land with lots of sunlight. Panels need cleaning because dust, dirt, and bird droppings can block the sun and reduce output. And since solar power depends on daylight and weather, many farms pair panels with large batteries that store extra energy for nighttime or cloudy days. The big advantage is that solar farms don't burn fuel. They're quiet, produce no smoke, and use free sunlight. The downsides are land use, weather limits, and upfront cost. Even so, solar farms are becoming a major part of clean energy worldwide, turning simple sunlight into power for millions.